Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today is my day off and I don't know like about you guys, but my day off you so that like I'll wait and wait and wait. I was here and I'm having my breakfast. Oop. So there's nothing like special today. Bejo is at work. Basically, this parcel came yesterday, and I was like, "What is this?" And bought a old box and it was snacks. Snacks darlele. I mean, I should air pasta boy. Poisha wadarpache hapu. The person poisha darlelmon. A gift package. I don't know, maybe you guys but I was like so shocked and surprised. Palak lollipop guys. So I think there are like 10 or 15 winglets. Ogli आम्ही हातायचं त्याक जाय आतिक मामा आपला चाव पिता त्याकाय जायते सो कल It's not like she didn't have her breakfast. Then आपलाच बॉर breakfast हल्ला egg हलतेने आयज मागी fruits हल्ले आणि आखे whole kiwi हल्ला सगळे then आपलाच breakfast बॉर केलो. So guys, I was सांगताल ना ते आमका किते like goodies मेवले तो पोया box तेंचे. So this is the app where you send the money like going to push that time nami. So तेजे 4 packets of namkeen snacks and 3 packet चिकी हा. So basically ये open केले आहे मग taste करपा जाय हले कितकोन हाय ते peri peri potato sali म्हणून. And तुम्ही जाणे अश करून तो गोवन चुडा असत पळय white color गोड कसो. So it's that type. I know it sounds absurd like the गोड आणि peri peri कितकोन जातले, but trust me guys, तेंचो नु brand कहलो दांटो Bombay Sweet Shop म्हणून. This is corn chura. Cornflakes कशा असतात ते जाणाय तुम्ही cornflakes. Tex Mex हा तो mixture केलेला हा तो flavor. I'm not fan of this flavor like that kind of like chura, but it tastes nice. Gluten free options, lactose free, batosh koran options. So this is one chili cheese bhujia. Yeah, chili cheese is like something different. The smell is so good. What is choco butterscotch box with roasted almonds? And I'm like, what's this box? The slab chocolates you get like that, like butterscotch. I don't know if you can see, like butterscotch, and it's coated with chocolate, and then on top of it there are almonds. Very healthy, like now. So yeah, these chikis are like something different. So this one is so iya no super crunch chiki hui त्याचे नाव आणि तिथून ingredients are roasted nuts, amarnath melon, I don't know what that is, poppy seeds are high, puffed rice high, toasted sesame, my rose petals and jaggery gourd. Taste it later when Bejo is here. We will taste it together. So yeah, and then got all the good stuff like makana borino. So makana ha, magir pumpkin seeds ha, sunflower seeds, magir white and black sesame, my Himalayan pink salt, like bro chiki hai tencho, roasted macan and peanut, Bombay bale chiki. Done bari ingredients are high, murukku, chips, bale, save, peanuts, jaggery and sugar. So I can't wait to try these. So yeah. So guys, I had my lunch. So at time zala panza paini lunch kelo ani Bejo ma korpa tolo. So I just showed you all pulao ha, mohon pulao kela. Pulao, what else is there? Oh, the mas ahante. Going to Aldi now, so that's why I'm like, you know, dressed up. So yeah, Bejo this maka. ही आमची भाषण कुलासो. तुमकां स्ट्रॉबेरीज हाडले.
हांव न्यू कितें थिंग ट्राय कोत्ता इन कॉन्टेंट. I hope तुमकां ते लायक जातलें रोखडेंच येतलें. So yeah.
Hi guys, I'm talking to my
चिकन हे करता विंगलेट. पळय विंगलेट हाडले आनी I need to do chicken lollipop. We are gonna have this tomorrow, not for today. So yes, went to Aldi. Aldi गेले आमी केदो fruits वाडली. पापा पास्ता ताय पेట్టుకోతే त्यांना मस्त असते. That's it for today, guys. कृष्णांती गेले आनीक चिकन भातां सगळे मॅरिनेट बा करून जाले, क्लीन बा करून. सो ते फाल्यां करपाचें. आनीक what else? Unfortunately, I didn't get to shoot because late evenings no, I'm get so chaotic astai and I have to like baby naopache and you know like sogle teji jeon beyond korun 9 o'clock zale ata. So yes, so that's dinner prep korun mashi time lagta, so teka lagun so te fast korun kadle. So obeshta daktas vlog halo. I didn't get to do much, so it's just like, you know, my lazy day off, I guess. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, share kindness and let love guide you.